today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Row Crop Quad Nozzle Kit. Let's get into the video. When installing the Quad Nozzle Kit, you are going to be needing this new cable right here. As you can see, is a little longer than the usually standard cables. But if you want to make your way over here, you are going to be plugging in from right here, as you can see, with these two screws. So you are going to plug it in. Since you already have this installed from the Mist package, so it helps out. So all we're going to need to do is plug it in right here. As you can see, there's also cable routes right here. Once you route it through, it is going to be over here, as you can see, be right here. So it look something like this. Once you have this installed, we're going to be making our way onto the sprayer itself. So for this installation, all you're going to need is just an electric screwdriver or a screwdriver and then some torque bits. As you can see, there are 4 screws up here. We are going to be removing those real quick. So I believe these are 2.5. Oh, they're not 2.5. It's going to be 3. All we're going to do is we're going to come right here and screw these. Once you guys have removed the screws, it is just a slide, so you're going to push it this way, or you're just going to hook on your spray nozzle like this. Like I said, there's grooves, so it's going to slide in this way. So all you're going to do is going to slide in like that. Now you should be able to leave it, but just to be fast, we are going to be screwing it. Now I'm going to be leaving it a little loose, because maybe I need to adjust what the position is. Like I said, with that loose, you can move and adjust it a little bit. So we're going to leave it like that for now. Like I said, you are going to be needing this arm hose, and with this, all we're going to do, going to be needing this side as well too. So we are going to be needing these little hose nuts that do come with the package. So we're going to be needing just 2 of these guys. Place that from here, and all we're going to do is we're going to be attaching this so like this. As you can see, not very much room. All we're going to do is almost forcing this thing in here. Alright guys, when you do have it on, it should be a nice snug fit. Then if you want to, you can route it through this way, as so. As for the cable, you can route it however you like, but I'm going to be plugging this in for us. We are going to be needing another one. We are going to be needing 2 of these hose nuts, so we are going to be plugging it in, get it in. We're going to be screwing this in, as you can see, easy. Same right here, going in, plugging this in. That's basically all for the hose, and then you can clamp this as so. Like this might be a little tough. We're going to place it like this one. It's going to be snapping on right. So like that, as you can see, nice and simple. Now we cannot forget about the cable. That's why I said we are going to be leaving it a little bit loose so we can adjust it. Once you are done connecting the hose, you are going to be connecting the power to it. So it's just that cable we talked about earlier. It's just running it through, connecting this, and then basically you are done with installing the Quad Nozzle Kit. But just to make things a little more tidier, more organized, we are going to be installing this clip. This does not come with the package itself. You might have to be an additional purchase. So for this one, it's pretty easy. This doesn't come with it. We're going to just place it like that. And then it has a little screw. Just right about right here. It's a very small screw. So as soon as you hear some give, basically you're good to go. And with that, oh, I might have to shift this over a tad bit. It's going to look something like this basically. And then I'm going to go right here. And basically connect to the other side. And and basically like that. This is the clip again. We do advise to get this, as it'll make sure everything is not dangling or interfering with the arm. With that, guys, that was the installation of the quad nozzle kit. Just to remind you guys, there is a difference between the two. As for the quad nozzle kit, you are going to be getting a higher output / flow rate with these guys. As for the mist kit, it is going to be smaller microns, better penetration for fruit trees / canopy trees, anything, etc. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.